One thing we know, looking at the research and looking at a lot of the data we've been collecting over the years, is how much ankle mobility drives good movement patterns. So if you've got a lack of ankle mobility, it's a good chance you're going to have some dysfunction in your movement patterns. Specifically, if you've got a lack of ankle mobility, it's going to many times deactivate the glute because you're not going to be able to get in good hip extension. Got to have dorsiflexion to get in functional hip extension. So that's important to know. But we also have to think about the influence when we're trying to improve ankle mobility, not just about the ankle, but also the foot, the knee, and the hip. And that's why it's so difficult for us to figure out how to check ankle mobility. So a lot of times when we look at going into dorsiflexion, we have to think about making sure that knee stays out over the foot. We don't let that knee cave in. If you have a lack of ankle mobility, when you get to a stopping point, your knee's going to have a tendency to cave in. So doing something to keep that knee out, which is one reason that we always take that stick, put it right over your foot, right at the end of your toe, just to keep that knee out. Now, not only is that helping your ankle, but it's also helping getting your foot in a much better position. That's another reason that having the band and just giving your knee a little bit of that valgus collapse. Not only does it give your ankle a little bit better position, but again, the influence that has over your foot. So that's not only do you need to think about the ankle, but let's think about what's happening at the foot, the knee, and the hip when trying to improve ankle mobility.